Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So if you guys would like to see me try on everything that came in my Beautylish box, then just keep watching. Alright, so if you don't know, you know now. I got the 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag. Of course, for 2019. I have already unboxed it. I will leave that video up above and down below in the description box so you can go and check it out. I have been watching a lot of these unboxings and videos of everyone else's Lucky Bag. Now, I sideline a little bit for certain items. Just a little bit. It's a little jealous. Just a little bit. But I love my box. So, we can go ahead and try out my box right now. I have nothing on my face except for, of course, I did my brows. I set my lids. So, the first thing we're going to jump right into is this Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. Right here. This has not yet been released on Beautylish's website. But I am curious to find out how much it's going to be costing. Now for those of you that don't know, I am currently on a no buy, low buy. So there is one fluid, I cannot say that right, girl. There's 1 fluid ounce in this bottle, and this is formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin. Now, my face has just recently been feeling a little dry, but any other day, any other time of the year, I have oily skin. So we're going to go ahead and try this on. And it does say let it like chillax on your face for like 30 seconds. It's going to be a little longer than that. So I'm going to put a little bit of this oil right here. And you can use this day and night on clean skin, of course. I'm just going to rub it in. Ooh, it smells good. That smells really good. You know that feeling once you get your face looking the way you want, then all of a sudden Mother Nature shows up and then your face starts breaking out? Except for Mother Nature's not here yet, but you know she about to come. I'm just saying. So now that I got that on my face, we're going to jump right into the eyes. So the palette that I got, if you didn't see that unboxing, is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it's their, well, it's her sultry palette right here. All glitter glitter. So we got to get all glitterified, I guess. I guess so. So I'm going to take it right out. I still don't know why I put this back in the box. But the box is pretty, y'all. And so is this. It's just so pretty. So I'm going to put this on my eyes. And I'm going to bring y'all a little closer. So pretty. Alright, now that y'all all up in my face and in my grill, you can see everything. Let's go ahead and get started. So, if you have not seen this palette, which I'm assuming almost everybody has, this is what the palette looks like right here. It's very, 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 very pretty. So let's jump right into this. So I have some of my brushes right here. Just some of them. But these are all clean. So we're going to use the clean ones. Some of these here are not my favorite, but they're going to have to do. So with this eyeshadow palette here, I'm trying to think what shade I want to go in with first. And if you guys are wondering, I'm looking down at my mirror. I have my big baby right here. So that's what I'm looking at. So I think I want to go into this shade right here in the corner. Ooh, okay, we got some pigment. I know I'm getting a little fallout there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not much, but I can see it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this as my transition. If it shows up, we'll find out. Ooh, okay. Alright, baby got some color right there. Baby got some color. Okay, so what I am noticing is that this blends out very nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my brush just a little bit here. Just clean it off just a little bit. And I think the next shade I want to go in with, I want to go in with this shade here. This is the shade called Bloom. And I'm going to go ahead and find me a brush so I can pack, not pack it on, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It's showing up too, so that's nice. So I'm just going to add this right, gonna add you right into my crease area like that. Then we're just gonna build up the color. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see the gradient between my transition shade and the pink here. In the middle of those two shades blended together, it looks kind of purple on both sides. So I don't know if the camera and the lighting's doing it justice, but trust, it will be on my Instagram, so you guys can make sure you go check it out, okay? Good. So if you guys are curious, me, I really don't care about the brushes, but this is a big fluffy brush. This is the brush I use for my transition shade, and this is the, what are you? The Morphe E23 brush. That's the brush I use for my transition shade. And the brush I was using for the pink shade, this is the Morphe RG18. So yeah, it's basically a Morphe 18 brush. Is the eyeshadow brush. Pretty sure they have these, the 18, in other different, you know, lingos. So next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to deepen out my outer V and kind of like lightly smoking it out, but it might end up going deeper than that, I don't know. And I'm just using the Pixie 207 medium angled shading brush. So that is what I'll be using here, and I'm just going to tap it in there. That's a lot of pigment, you guys, a lot. And I'm just going to put in my transition. And I'm going to slightly bring it along my lash line as well. Now if you start to lose your color, just go back and add some more and blend it all together. That's all you do. Alright, so next, after I done did that and I kind of like smoked it out, but it's pink and I kind of like it. I'm going to go in with this shade here. This is the shade, what shade are you? Rose Quartz. So that's the shade I'm going to use on top of my lid. And I'm just using, what are you? This is an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush that I've had for a very long time, and it still works perfectly well. So that is the brush I am using, and it's a flat brush. I'm just going to pack it onto my lid, and I want to see how it goes on dry before I add any liquid to it. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. But I think for this look, I think I want it to be more bomb, bomb, bomb. So where's my, got my Fix Plus. We about to use some Fix Plus. About to wet my brush. You know how everyone sprays in the air? I realize I don't like that because it sprays everywhere else. So I just put my brush on a napkin and I just spray it that way. Because ain't nobody trying to clean up no sticky stuff off of nothing. I'm not. Oh, that's a lot more pigment now. Oh yes, you guys. You guys see the difference? It's so pretty. So pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack this on my lid just like that. I think that's super duper cute. I like it. So I'm just going to add a little bit to my lower lash line area. Just a little bit. And I'm going to go back in with my transition shade, and I'm just going to put it at the bottom of my lash line here. And then I'm going to go in with some of that pink. So I'm going to stop here and I'm going to go finish my face. And then, well, I'm going to go do my face and then I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I currently just pulled out a set of lashes out of here and I'm kind of waiting for the glue to get tacky. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and finish my lower lash line just a little bit more. So I'm going to go back in with this wrong brush with this Bloom shade. I'm going to add a little bit more. And then I'm going to line my lashes with this black shade right here. Oh, I don't want to line my lower lash line, I mean. Alright, come on, lashes. Let's do these lashes, honey. Let's do them. Yeah, you ready too? Some of this. Okay, now I'm going to go back into this shade here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that to my lower lash line down here. So I really don't want to add the black to do this part. But to make everything seamlessly blend together. So pretty. Y'all know I'm feeling myself. So we tried the oil, we did the eyes, got the lashes on. I think they're kind of pretty. And this one here is like the edge here is not sticking. So these lashes do have a thin band, but I like that. So next, we going in with the lip color, okay? And this lip color is from Sugar Peel. And this is in the shade Strange Love. And this is the shade, y'all. I think I need a lip liner for this. So I like the color. I do like the color of it. It's very pretty, but I can't wear this color on a daily basis, but I do like the formula so far. I'm curious on how long it lasts, but this is a very pretty color. So now it's on to the highlighter here. So I got the Becca Volcano Goddess highlighter in the shade Gold, excuse me, in the shade Gold Lava. And that is what it looks like. So let me go get that brush that came with all of these goodies. So I got the brush here, and this is a Wayne Goss brush. Thank you to everyone who told me who he was. And yeah, I've been watching a few of his videos like nonstop, and keep my opinion to myself. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and use this little fan brush here on one side, and then I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter brush on the other side. I'm just gonna go right in there. Yeah, I really do like this highlight, you guys. I really do. Ooh, I really do. Oh, yeah. Getting happy already. Oh, you guys. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Ah. I am so pretty, and God knows I don't need no more highlighters. I don't need no more. But thank you, Jesus, for giving me this one. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. So good. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. Now, I'm going to use my favorite highlighting brush right here. This is a Royal Nickel Highlight and Glow brush right here. This came in a set, I think. A set I picked up from somewhere. I think I got it from Ipsy or Generation Beauty or something like that. Something. So I'm just going to... Oh, baby, yes. Yes. I'm loving this. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, y'all. Oh. Oh, yes. Take the tip of it, get my brow bone right up in there. Oh. Oh, yes. You know what? This will probably be... Yeah, I'm adding more to this side. Alright, there we go. There's the glow. How yeah. Okay, we gotta blend that out some. Can I have it all in one spot? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Now there is one little fan brush I like. Is this little tiny one right here? This one is a Morphe what? M496 little fan brush. I like this one for my Cupid's bow. Well, my lip area here. Ooh. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the look right here. It came out super, super cute. I like it a lot. It is so cute. Where's my phone? I'm about to take a picture right now, and I'm about to post it on IG. Yes, it's so cute. So I'm pretty sure if you follow me on IG, you'll end up seeing the post before you'll see this video. I'm just going to tell like it how it is because I don't feel like editing this video right now. Really don't. Where's my phone? Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I just posted the picture right there on my IG. So I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, but you guys can figure out when I film this video by this post right here. So cute. Oh, it's like you just want to take some more because you're just so damn cute. Alright, so now that I have finished this look, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of everything that I got in my Beautylish bag or Beautylish box. Thank you so much to Beautylish and for the lucky bag. I really did love it and enjoy it. They did not send it to me. I purchased it with my own money. I don't got it like that, so maybe one day, but it ain't today. Or probably this year. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and be a part of my fam bam here. Yes, I can't say Coca-Cola squad really because y'all, I've been drinking tea like crazy. Yeah, I've been drinking tea like crazy. Like I'm Coca-Cola not even in the house. I know, right? I know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. And once again, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And always remember to embrace your beauty. And I'll talk to you again later. Bye, y'all.